Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Joe Scarecrow, and today I'm doing some kayaking. Today I am right now I'm in the canals in between Canaveral National Seashore and the mainland of Florida, and which is a little bit south of New Smyrna. Right behind me there is the Canaveral National Seashore, and right now I'm on a little island on the canals by myself. I'm just checking things out. I was hoping to get out on some islands, but the rangers told me that they are I think they're full on all the islands here to get out at. So probably won't be able to get out and explore. So that means that I could come back again, do an overnight here one day. Just kind of chilling right now. They gave me this map. I launched right here, and they say there's a little trail. I came in right here, but it looks like this trail is growing up, so I'm gonna go around and see if I can find another one. But there's a kayak trail through here. I'm gonna play around a bit today and see what's up, just to do some exploring. Very nice, very calm in the canals. This is fun. I've been wanting to do this ever since I've been in Florida, but have not had the opportunity. Very shallow. It's nice, but hot. I forgot my sunscreen. My legs are gonna be probably pretty red before I get done with it today. Oh yeah. I brought my UV long sleeve. For that very reason. I was going to put sunscreen on my legs, but I forgot. I found a tiny little embankment to take a little break at. It's very shallow, and you can probably walk all through these places. Everywhere I've been, it's been very shallow. But after 2 years in Florida, I finally get to use my kayak. Perception kayak. I love this little thing. I bought that used from somebody when I was living in Oklahoma, and I've always loved that thing. It's been great. I got it really cheap. It's been very nice. Betsy has one too, but she has not yet got the notion to get out here yet. She's getting closer. They said the campsites were full, but so far I have not come across any campsites. I said I won't be on here very long, as I don't have any, I didn't bring any food with me. It sure is pretty though. Very calming. Number 5, that's where I am right here. Found that on the map. That little island right there, that's where I am at right now. Definitely make sure you're bringing water. I did bring plenty of water, so that's a good thing. My legs are getting so hot. But the breeze feels nice. That's one good thing about living. If you're going to hike somewhere or kayak somewhere and you live pretty close by, you know, this ain't far from Orlando, so when you're fairly close by, you can scout a little bit before you decide to stay overnight. It's not a bad thing to scout a little bit and find out exactly where you're at and where you want to go before you commit to somewhere that you've never been before. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm kind of scouting, just kind of getting to know the area, and I'll come back out here again, do an overnight hike. When I get back tonight, I will check out that website and probably reserve a spot and come out here again one night. Came a long way down this little cove. Nothing. Didn't get nowhere. Kept seeing palm trees thinking I could find a little spot to get out at, but no, went all the way down here and it's right back there. It's just complete dead end. It's very just still right here. Mosquito Haven for sure. And this is my kayak. Nothing too fancy. They don't have a dry box or anything like some do. This was I think, so I bought this used. I didn't do much research on it, and I had a coworker, overheard him saying he wanted to sell his kayak. Sold me for $100. I got these cargo straps back here. I have a little compartment back here if I wanted to put anything. I usually carry when I do a trip. I bring one of these for like a waterproof box for cell phones and stuff, and I bring a dry bag. That's where I came from. Went down there. I'm about to cross the channel, the canal, to right over there. There's hermit crabs all over the place over here. Another important thing I forgot was my sunglasses. There's something peaceful about listening to the breeze, listening to the waves. Very peaceful. Gonna try to see if my tripod holds. Awesome. Over here, look at him, he's hiding. I guess I don't see him. He's a big guy. Alright, time to head back up. This is a lot better. Hopefully I'm getting a shot. Got a better mount though. Right now I'm just sitting on top of my kayak. Oh, made it back to boat ramp. There's mosquitoes everywhere around here. I tried to hang out by the bank and I was getting devoured by mosquitoes, just devoured. If you look at the map, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all those numbers. So if you follow these, it's like a little trail and you can go just explore. There's some campsites down here. But now, heading to the truck, load up the kayak. You see that kite? That is Jake's kite. So I know exactly where they're at. I'm heading to that kite. It's a cobra kite. Oh my God, I just realized, Cobra Kite Dojo. That's pretty cool. Jake had that cobra kite for Christmas. And it's pretty cool. We like to fly our kite while we're at the beach because sometimes when you're in the ocean, you can just wade in there. You realize you're down the shoreline because you floated away and didn't realize it. And if it's really crowded, it's hard to see where the rest of your people are. But with the kite, you can always see it and always tell you you can always find out easily where your stuff's at and where the rest of your party is. That's it for me, everybody, here at Canaveral National Seashore. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and all that jazz if you have not already done so. That's it. It was a nice day, a nice breezy day. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe out there. Enjoy the outdoors. Have fun. Get outside. And happy trails.